Okay, so, welcome back. Ang pag-uusapin naman natin ngayon is multiple integrals. Here in the multiple integral, we'll be talking about the double integrals and the triple integrals. The double integral is merely an integral of an integral. Or we can say that it is a sum of a sum as a result of the iterated application of the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. The inner integral sign refers to the inner differential, and the outer integral refers to the outer differential. It must always be remembered that the inner limits are in general functions of the outer variable. The second integration is then performed upon the outer variable using the corresponding outer limits a and b, which are constant, thus removing the outer integral sign. So let's try this example. The first thing that we are going to do here is, of course, to integrate this using this inner integral and the inner differential. Okay, so to do this, we have our v is equal to the integral from 1 to 2. So, dun muna tayo sa inner integral. Dito, as we can see, we have here the differential x, dx. So, meaning, dito, mag-i-integrate tayo. Lahat ng mga x, no, ay kukunin natin ng integral. And, other variable, no, aside from x, will be considered as constant. So, dito, yung y squared natin will be considered as constant. Okay? So, we have here the integral of x squared. This is x cubed over 3 plus the integral of y squared. Since y squared here is constant, that would be, so meaning meron yan dito 1. So, the integral of that is x. So, we have x, y squared. And for our limit, we have the inner integral, no, limit of 0 to 2y. And we have here dy. Okay, so next thing that we are going to do is, of course, evaluate integral, no? Papasok na natin yung ating lower and upper limit. And we have here the integral from 1 to 2, no? So, etong lower and upper limit natin, since nag-integrate tayo dito kay x, ay ipapasok natin siya sa x lang. So, we have here 2y cubed over 3 plus 2y multiplied by y squared. This is for the upper limit. And since our lower limit here is 0, so that would be 0 and that would be 0. So we have here minus 0. And we have here dy. So if we are going to simplify this further, then we have here 8 y cubed over 3 plus 2y cubed dy. And pagsamahin natin sila, since pareho silang y cubed, then we have here, okay, so using the calculator, so we have here 8 thirds plus 2, that is equal to 14 thirds. So, since constant ito, pwede na natin ilagay dito sa labas. We have here 14 over 3. And dito, meron tayong y cubed dy. So, after this, I integrate ulit natin to using the integral of the limit 1 to 2 for the variable y. So, we have here v is equal to 14 over 3. The integral of y cubed is y to the 4th over 4. And of course, our limit from 1 to 2. So, evaluating our limit, and we have here 14 over 3 for the upper limit. We have 2 raised to 4 over 4. And for the lower limit, we have 1 raised to 4 over 4. So using the calculator, we have here 14 over 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 4 over 4 minus 1/4. And we have 35 over 2. So we have here 35 over 2. And this is our answer.